You see, that's why you are seeing the police on the job. That's why they issue fine slip from time to time. That means we are implementing it. And that's why if you compare from for the last few months now, it's quite improved. There is no one parking right on the middle of the road. Yes, maybe not one shot at one time. So hopefully it will be improved properly. Don't worry. We will do.
So by when this implementing?
Not by when. It's a continuous process to correct our nature.
At least by when it will be visible?
At the earliest possible. That's why especially personally from my side, I always request my people of the city, please cooperate with the government to avoid all this traffic jam. You see, it's a collectively responsibility. We are here to work for the people, point number one. And thanks for will they always cooperate us also. Yes, there is some challenges here and there. That's no problem. There is challenges, but we always work with challenges. And hopefully we will be able to achieve the goal one day with all of us will be collectively responsible. Don't put negative thing in front. Not possible, not possible. When we are having in a positive direction, I'm having full confidence we will be able to do all this good thing. That's why we already passed recently about the parking policy of the road parking in the city. It's already on the job. Not implementing now.